Good morning, everyone. This is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and as you can see, I am fresh-faced, and the video we are making this week is about the Lancome Renergie Multi-Action Cream Sheet Mask, and this is the best new product. I got this from the gift with purchase, the summer gift with purchase in my step up, which means, you get the 6 free gifts when you spend $39.50, but I had spent $80, so I actually got to step up and pick my choice of 2 different sets of 3 extra products for that price. And the sheet mask comes in 2 pieces. Now, this is interesting. I've never used a 2-piece mask, so we take it out. It's like a little purple and white, so you know which side to peel. And actually, it is infused with linseed extract, and that is like an extra moisturizer. And the Lancome website says that it contains more concentrated cream, the moisturizing cream, that a full jar of Renergie multi-action face cream, and that is just beyond to me. And if you don't know the benefits of linseed extract, it makes your skin appear more glowing and more radiant, smoother, and it's a moisturizing sheet mask. So this isn't like an anti-wrinkle or any of that. And you unwrap, here's the top, and here is the bottom. And as you can see, it's got room for your... And these masks are done once a week and suitable for all skin types. And the price, the regular price on the Lancome website is $68. It's on sale for $47 now. And I'm just going to smooth this around. And you put both the pieces of the mask in place. I know this, your poor kids, if you've got toddlers, this is a scary scenario. But no, I think it goes like this with the little cutout for the nose. And so let's get this all straight. I'm gonna have to pull it down so I can breathe. But as you can see, it sticks really well. We're gonna press it all into the necessary places. And it says to leave on for 20 minutes, and you can use this once a week. It also says, ladies, to throw away after using, but I know that I have done in the past, and it's not a frugal thing. It's basically because now that I've retired from Lancome and don't work there, I have to drive quite a far ways to get any of my Lancome products or order them online. And so I reuse the masks, put them in a resealable Ziploc, and you can at least use the Genifique mask more than once. And we will try to save this one and see if we can get more than one use. But if you do, I've seen these masks on eBay and Mercari for $12 to $15. So you can do some fancy footwork on the internet and some shopping and find it for quite a bit less than it is for sale on the Lancome site. And we are going to leave this on for 20 minutes, like I said, once a week, and I can feel it's like got a really creamy texture. Quite different from any of the other sheet masks. Like I said, this is a moisturizing mask. And it feels amazing. It totally feels amazing. So I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and we're going to come back for part 2, and I will talk about how my skin feels, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned for part 2. Hello again, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz with part 2 of the Renergie Multi-Action Cream Sheet Mask, and it is a moisturizing sheet mask. I have now had the mask on for 20 minutes, so I'm going to gently peel it off. And like I said in the first part, it is a 2 mask thing, and I can feel there's still some cream that's lingering, so I'm going to massage the rest of the cream. Always up and out, ladies. Up and out. Up and out. And it is so thick. You talk about when they said that it was more concentrated than a full jar of the multi-lift action. And like I said, I'm going to be 57 years old, so excuse the dark circles and all of that. It takes a lot, ladies, to make videos with no makeup, but I am me and I am real, and I can tell you it was definitely a good investment. But like I said, the mask, comes in 2 pieces, and on the Lancome website, it is normally $68, but they have it on sale for $47. But if you go on eBay and Mercari, you can get them from $12 to $15. It is so luscious and thick and so concentrated. My skin feels like it just got a fresh drink of water. And in the summer, that's as hot as it's been. It is so refreshing, so refreshing. So I highly recommend the Renergie Multi-Action Ultra Cream Sheet Mask. It is a definite must. Like I said, it is one of the best new products. Anything Renergie is lifting and firming. As far as the Lancome skincare lines, Absolute is their premium. There's certain ones for brightening. There's certain ones for lifting and firming. And they all do certain things. But the Renergie, and you can always tell because all Renergie products are purple. And I love it. But till next week, you guys have a wonderful time. I thank you for joining the video. Just leave me any comments or questions below. The website is kimsbeautybiz.com, and there are so many free resources there, from free ebooks to links to certain Lancome resources, and my free Lancome skincare guide that tells you your skin type and exactly what morning and night routine for any of your skincare needs, as well as lots of other interesting freebies. You guys, please take care, and as always, much love.